You can hear his music in the breeze that blows in from the sea. The tunes he played, though silent now, are etched in memory. The winding road to his abode, through fields of evergreen, where we heard him play the silver steel, the man called Michelin. The quiet man in the corner playing the concertina reel. The music man from Paulnagon, our own dear Michelin. For 50 years or more he played sweet music in North Clare. At every dance and party, sure you'll always find him there. The rhythm in his music put the dancers on the floor, and they danced and battered when he played the bucks of Oldmore. At the roadside tavern in the town, they came from near and far, just to see him play the Primrose Lass and the maid behind the bar. Just to hear him play the Primrose Lass and the maid behind the bar.